Hi, my name is Bob Daigle. I'm the product manager for systems here at the David Clark Company, and we're here again at FDIC 2019. The David Clark Company is known for its mission statement of developing products that protect people and save lives, and we've been doing that since the early 1940s, making communication systems for aviation, aerospace, marine, a lot of different markets, including, of course, the fire and rescue market segments. David Clark products are known for their durability and reliability, being installed on thousands of apparatus worldwide and serving the communication needs, providing clear communications, situational awareness, and enhanced safety for tens of thousands of first responders worldwide. As I'm sure you're aware, here in the U.S., over 70% of our firefighters are volunteers. Men and women that serve large communities and responding to a wide range of emergency calls, including natural disasters, fires, emergency responses, water rescue, and even terrorist threats. Jobs that are all being done with little or no compensation by departments that are competing and really doing their best to get vastly needed resources beyond just the basic department necessities. It's because of their selfless efforts that we're excited to introduce a new program, which is the David Clark biannual headset system giveaway for volunteer fire departments. We'll be giving away a headset communication system based on volunteer departments' express needs for a specified piece of fire apparatus. We'll be awarding the first system giveaway on Thanksgiving this year on our website, and beginning next year, we'll be giving 2 systems away per year in April and again on Thanksgiving at the end of each year. Volunteer departments can read all the details and enter our form on our new microsite, which is dc-vfdgiveaway.com. David Clark will review all entries and will announce winners on the website and contact them by phone. And so far, the response has already been very, very positive. So while David Clark is thankful for all of our first responders and everything that they do, our biannual headset system giveaway, we like to think, is our way of giving back to those volunteers that often do so much with so little. So we encourage all volunteer fire departments to please visit our microsite at dc-vfdgiveaway.com. Review the guidelines, enter for a chance to win a free headset system, and we hope to see your name there.